Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here with another drone, y'all, and searching the protocols and trying to mix and match different protocols with different drones and planes that I have to fly with this Radio Master Boxer here. I have this guy out here. So this little drone here, this little rider figure here, it's a UDi model, as you can see there, but I found that this little guy flies on a Potensic protocol, and so I have everything set up. I have channel 5 set up for flips. I'm not sure if it actually works because I haven't tried it yet, but I do at least know that this thing hovers and all on a Potensic protocol. Let's get this guy up in the air nevertheless and fly it. The wind picked up a little too. Let's
Welcome to HTX.
try to get it in the air anyhow. The wind's bothering it a little bit. Look at him front and center. Yeah, the wind's pushing it. Let's see if we can get a flip with it. Nope, no flip. I'm not sure if there's not a flip activation on channel 5 or is it just dying the battery. Because this little guy doesn't have any lights or anything to let you know. I would say it's doing pretty well against this wind without really having a lot of pitch. Try a flip again. Nope. Flips aren't working. I guess flips are not on channel 5. Does have altitude hold, so can't do any manual flips with it. I forgot to set my timer too, so I don't know when this guy is about ready to come down. Don't know how long I've been flying it, so I'm gonna judge it myself. The range seems to be pretty good. Fly him all the way over there. Fly it back. Just checking the yaw rate. Use some funnels with it. It's the best of a funnel I can do in the wind here. Keep him flying around the trees with a proximity flight. Thread the needle. Oh. Oh. The wind got the best of it that time, but I still managed to come out of it. I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Trying to land this little guy. quick little flight of this little UDi rider on the Potensic protocol with the Boxer 4-in-1 protocol version. Thanks for watching.